Sunday service on a roll. Sunday service on a roll. Sunday service on a roll.
Yeah, so before I address that, I just want to go back to what you just said earlier on. A big part of growing, a big part of this process that we're in, of discovering, of learning, is obviously to grow, right? To ascend, what we're calling ascending. You've got to grow. And you cannot grow if you plant yourself into one box. You cannot grow. You've always got to outgrow your teacher. If you don't outgrow your teachers, you are not growing. You're limited. Your teachers are suppressing you. So, I always say to people, please take what I'm presenting and don't take it as gospel. Add to it, outgrow me, and teach me new things based on what you've learned. And I try and do the same thing from people that I learn from as well. So that is super, super, super important. Now, I'm lucky. I awoke. When I awoke, I had no baggage with me at the time. So I hadn't done any real research in spirituality or in mythology or anything. I had no clue at all about anything. I was a proper zombie, a real Matrix zombie. So when I woke up, I was a complete blank sheet. I had no preconceptive ideas about spirituality or about ancient cultures or mythology. So I was able to discern and look at all the information objectively, without bias, without an agenda, without any emotional attachment. I just saw things as they were. So I think that's really important for anyone watching this. You've got to have an open mind and a critical eye. Drop everything you think you know or everything you think you've learned. Listen to what is being presented. Take what you need, discard what doesn't make sense or what doesn't resonate with you, and then build it to what you already know.
Yes.
Right.